Today I'm going to show you how to get samples into your SP303. Most people just take a separate out from their interface and run it into their SP303, much like you would take any source and run it to the SP303, be it radio, TV, or turntable. What we're going to use here is the smart media card. So what you're going to need is a smart media card reader and a smart media card. These can be a little pricey. You might find them for anywhere from $20 to about $50 on eBay. Next, you'll want to find a sample. The most important part about finding the sample is making sure it is in the right resolution. Once you get your sample, you want to drag it or copy it onto the smart media card. Then you want to name your file as I'm doing on the screen, and make sure you use all capitals. Next, you're going to want to turn on the SP303. Choose which bank you want to record the samples to. Once you pick the bank, you'll notice record lights up. Hit record, and then it takes forever to get the sample onto the SP. And once it's there, you can add effects, chop it up, mangle it, do whatever you want. Anyway, I hope this has helped some of you. Please do leave comments and questions in the section below, and I'll see you guys next week.